Tired of being stuck at home to use your NodeRED dashboard and not able to share it with your friends and colleagues? What if I told you that you could access your NodeRED flows from anywhere in the world without touching your router settings? In this video, I'll show you how to expose your local NodeRED instance to the internet in under 5 minutes using Ngrok. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. Today, we are solving one of the biggest headaches for NodeRED users, that is remote access. Maybe you want to check your home automation dashboard while on vacation, or you need to tweak a flow when you are away from home, or want to share with your friends or colleagues for collaboration. Without proper setup, your NodeRED instance is trapped behind your local network. Sure, you could set up port forwarding, configure a VPN, use a static IP, or even use a cloud-hosted NodeRED like Flowfuse, VM, etc. But those options can be complicated, potentially insecure, or incur cost. That's where Ngrok comes in, a powerful tunneling service that creates a secure pathway to your local services. You can run your internal applications on Ngrok free forever. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get all the steps right. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to sign up for Ngrok. So search for Ngrok and click on this. You can click on sign up. And here you can sign up with Google or you can use your email. And accept the terms, create account. Now it is asking for multi-factor authentication. So you can use Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator or 1Password to have this multi-factor authentication. But for now, I'll skip this. Now after that, you can click on got it. So it will be asking some details like describing your role, etc. You can mention as software engineer or architect, anything, and then how you are going to use it. So I'll be using IoT device connectivity and then click on connect. So now you're done with the setup. So next thing is that you need to install this Ngrok on your system. So if you are using Windows, you need to click on download and download this Windows installation executable. And there is also another method using npm. Because you already have NodeRED on your system, you can use npm for this. So I'll be using npm. Now we will open a command prompt, run as administrator, and then I'll use a command called npm install ngrok. So if you want to install it globally, you can use like this. After install, you can use -g, but I want to use it locally. So once you have installed, it will show you the Ngrok usage commands like this. And then you can check back here. So they have already given you an authentication token in this setup. You should copy this and then paste it here. So this auth token has been saved. So next thing that we need to do is open NodeRED. So just again type node-red. Then NodeRED is opened. You can use localhost 1880 and you can see the NodeRED is open now in the local host. And now if you want to make this available for the public users, then you need to expose this 1880 port. So they have given option like this. So you can use Ngrok HTTP and then you can use a port. So I'll just use another command prompt. And here type Ngrok HTTP and then 1880. And now immediately you can see the forwarding URL. So this is the forwarding URL that is to be used. You can click on visit. Now you can see the NodeRED is matching with your local host. The only limitation of using free tier is that Ngrok will provide you randomly generated URLs that change each time you restart the tunnel. So if you want a persistent URLs, then you need to be having a paid plan. So let's check out how it is going to change the URL. So I'll just stop this Control C to quit, and then again type ngrok http 1880, and now you can see you have lost connection to the server and you need to use another URL. If you restart this, it will not work. You need to use another URL and then it will open. And that's it. You now have the remote access to your NodeRED instance without a single router setting changed. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. Check out my other NodeRED tutorials by clicking on the top right corner or in the end screen. Also, drop a comment below if you have any further questions. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.